everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever noticed dark spots or uneven tone on your lips and wondered how to fix it? You're not alone. Lip pigmentation is a common issue that affects so many of us. But the good news is, it's treatable. In today's video, we're diving deep into the science of lip pigmentation, exploring what causes it, and sharing proven solutions to help you achieve healthier, more even-toned lips. Stick around because this is packed with tips you don't want to miss.
First, let's talk about what causes lip pigmentation. It all comes down to melanin, the pigment that gives our skin and lips their color. When melanin is overproduced, it can lead to dark spots or an overall uneven tone. Common culprits include sun exposure, smoking, hormonal changes, or even certain medical conditions. But don't worry, we've got solutions for each of these. Let's start with prevention. The best way to tackle lip pigmentation is to stop it before it starts. Prevention is key to managing lip pigmentation. Here are some evidence-based strategies. Sun protection. Use a lip balm with SPF 30 or higher to shield lips from UV radiation. Reapply every 2 hours when outdoors, even on cloudy days. UV rays are one of the biggest triggers for pigmentation. Avoid smoking. Quitting smoking can prevent further darkening and improve overall lip health. Hydration. Keep lips moisturized to prevent dryness, which can exacerbate pigmentation. Gentle exfoliation. Use a soft toothbrush or sugar scrub to remove dead skin cells, but avoid over-exfoliation, which can irritate the lips. Now, let's talk about treatments. If you're already dealing with pigmentation, there are some amazing topical ingredients that can help. Vitamin C is a superstar. It brightens and evens out skin tone. Hydroquinone, a gold standard depigmenting agent that inhibits melanin production. Use under dermatological supervision to avoid side effects like irritation. Kojic acid, derived from fungi, it lightens pigmentation by inhibiting tyrosinase, an enzyme involved in melanin synthesis. Niacinamide helps reduce pigmentation and improves the skin barrier function. And don't forget retinoids. They're not just for anti-aging, they also help with cell turnover and pigmentation. Pay attention. Always patch test new products and consult a dermatologist before use, especially for sensitive areas like the lips. For more stubborn cases, professional treatments like chemical peels or laser therapy can work wonders. Chemical peels. Mild peels containing glycolic acid or salicylic acid can exfoliate the top layer of skin, reducing pigmentation. Laser therapy. Q-switched lasers or fractional lasers target melanin and break down pigmented cells, promoting even skin tone. Microneedling with Depigmenting Serums enhances the penetration of topical agents like vitamin C or kojic acid. Cryotherapy. Freezing therapy can be used to remove dark spots, but it must be performed by a trained professional. These treatments target melanin and help reveal fresher, more even-toned skin. But remember, always consult a dermatologist to find the best option for you.
Before we move on, if you're loving this video and want more tips on skincare, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. We're constantly sharing science-backed skincare advice to help you look and feel your best.
Lastly, let's not forget the power of a healthy lifestyle. Balanced diet. Ensure adequate intake of vitamins, B12, C, E, and minerals, iron, zinc to support skin health. Hydration. Drink plenty of water to maintain lip moisture and overall skin health. Avoid irritants. Steer clear of harsh lip products or allergens that may worsen pigmentation. Staying hydrated, eating a balanced diet rich in vitamins, and avoiding irritants can make a huge difference in your lip health. Your lips are part of your skin, so treat them with the same care. When to see a dermatologist. If lip pigmentation persists despite home care, consult a dermatologist to rule out underlying medical conditions. They can provide personalized treatment options, such as prescription strength creams or advanced procedures. Lip pigmentation is a treatable condition with the right combination of preventive care, topical treatments, and professional interventions. By understanding the causes and adopting a scientifically backed approach, you can achieve healthier, more even-toned lips. Always prioritize safety and consult a dermatologist for tailored advice.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need these tips. And don't forget to follow our channel for more skincare science and beauty hacks. Until next time, take care of your skin and your lips.